Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to check data usage in Samsung Mobile. So if you have a Samsung Galaxy phone and you want to check your data usage or data consumption, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to check data usage in Samsung Mobile, all you need to do is go ahead and open your Samsung phone settings. Now, on the settings page, scroll down, locate and click on connections. Once you selected connections, locate data usage and click on it. Now, under data usage, you see the data usage on your mobile data that you've used. Then scroll down. To see or check data usage on your Samsung, go ahead and click on mobile data usage. Then hang on for the mobile data usage page to load. As you can see, in my own case, between the 1st to the 31st of March, I've used about 122 megabytes. Then you can click on this drop menu, select the time frame, then you should see your data usage for that particular month. Again, so if you scroll down, you should see how your data are being used on each of the applications. Then if you click on the settings, here, you'll be able to set data limit and then data warning. So that's exactly how to check data usage in Samsung Mobile. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.